Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about what is a signal and what are the classifications of a signal and what is a system and what are the classifications of a system.
టాపిక్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యే ముందుగా నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేసినట్లు కనుకైతే ముందుగా నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే అందరికంటే ముందుగా అప్డేట్స్ని నోటిఫికేషన్ పొందడం కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్పై క్లిక్ చేయండి.
A signal is defined as a system is having a physical quantity that varies with one or more independent variables. Here, the independent variables are like time, temperature, pressure, position, and intensity of a color, etc. Signals are basically shown in the form of dimensions. Signals has four dimensions. One dimension. It is defined as the signal has only one independent variable, then the signal is called one dimension. And the examples are audio signal and voice signal. Two-dimensional signal. It is defined as the signal which has two independent variables, then the signal is called two-dimensional signal. The example is images. Three-dimensional signal. It is defined as the signal which has three independent variables, then the signal is called three-dimensional signal. The example is video signals. Four-dimensional signal. It is defined as the signal which has four independent variables, then the signal is called four-dimensional signal. The examples are radio waves. Classification of signals. Signals are classified into two types: continuous time signal and discrete time signal. First one, continuous time signal. It is defined as the signal varies with respect to the time continuously, then the signal is called continuous time signal. Discrete time signal. It is defined as the signal varies with certain instant of time, then the signal is called discrete time signal. These signals are further classified into five types. First one, deterministic signal. The signal is said to be deterministic signal. There is no uncertainty with respect to the value at any instant of time, or the signal which can be exactly defined by a mathematical equation, then the signal is called deterministic signal. A signal is said to be non-deterministic if there is an uncertainty with respect to the value of some instant time, and also the signal has the random nature, so it is also called as random signal. Second one, periodic and aperiodic signals. A signal is said to be periodic signal. It must be satisfy the condition x of t equal to x of small t plus capital T, or x of n equal to x of small n plus capital N. Here t is the continuous time signal and n is the discrete time signal. If the signal is said to be non-periodic signal or aperiodic signal, then the signal must be satisfy the condition x of t not equal to x of small t plus capital T, or x of n not equal to x of small n plus capital N. Third one, symmetric and asymmetric signal. These signals are also called as even signal and odd signal. A signal is said to be symmetric or even, then it must be satisfy the condition x of t equal to x of minus t. If the signal is said to be asymmetric or odd, then it must be satisfy the condition x of t equal to minus x of minus t. Fourth one, causal and non-causal signal. A signal is said to be causal signal, then it must be satisfy the condition n greater than or equal to 0 or t greater than or equal to 0. The signal is said to be non-causal, then it must satisfy the condition t less than or equal to 0 or both t less than or equal to 0 and t greater than 0. And the finally fifth one, power and energy signals. Signal is said to be energy signal, then it has finite energy. It can be represented in mathematical as E equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x square of t dt. And the power, the signal is said to be power when it has finite power, and it is mathematically represented as power t equal to limit time t extends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t2 plus t x square of t star dt. It is defined as by using any signal as input to generate output. Signal is called as system. This system is also classified into two types. First one, continuous time system, and second one, discrete time system. These systems are also furtherly classified into five types. First one, static and dynamic system. The system which is said to be memoryless system, then the system is called static system. And the system which is said to be having a memory, then the system is called dynamic system. Second one, causal and non-causal system. A system is said to be causal, then the outputs of the system depends only on the past and present inputs but does not the future inputs. Then the system is called causal system. Non-causal system, it is defined as the system depends upon future input also, then the system is called non-causal system. Third one, linear and non-linear system. The system is said to be linear then when it satisfies the superposition principle and as well as homogeneous principle. Consider two inputs x1 of t and x2 of t and outputs y1 of t and y2 of t. Then the linear equation is transpose of a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t is equal to a1 y1 of t plus a2 y2 of t. If the system is said to be nonlinear, then it must be satisfy the condition transpose of a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t is not equal to a1 y1 of t plus a2 y2 of t. Fourth one, time variant and time invariant system. A system is said to be variant, then the input and output characteristics of a system varies with time. Then the system is called time variant system. Otherwise, it is said to be time invariant system. The mathematical expression for time variant system is y of n comma t is equal to y of n minus t. The mathematical expression for time invariant system is y of n comma t not equal to y of n minus t. Fifth one, stable and unstable system. The system is said to be stable when the bounded output for a bounded input. And a system is said to be unstable for a bounded input, it generates an unbounded output, then the system is called unstable system.